Three.js is one of the most well-known JavaScript libraries on the web, arguably, other than React. Three.js is huge. It's responsible for over 70,000 websites, and it was started by one man, Mr. Doob, and he's seemingly been completely converted to vibe coding updates to this very important library. He keeps chatting about Claude Code and like adding features, talking about adding features and things like that, all done through vibe coding. And fair play to him. You know, there's this one here on Claude Code for the web, which, by the way, you get $1,000 of free credit this month using Claude Code for the web. So he's obviously, yeah, so you can see his credit there. What's he got left? 981 credits. I see you there. Yeah, so $1,000 of free credits if you're on the max plan. But yeah, he's making updates to Three.js done through vibe coding. Can you imagine? He's got a lot of trust in Claude Code here for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got
or he knows how to prompt.
Or he knows how to prompt. He's got one in Three.js here. He's got one in Three.js there. And I'm just seeing that, you know, he's probably making very specific changes to like one file.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
He's the creator of the library. He knows the ins and outs of it.
Yeah.
But it's insane how such a amazing technology has been developed by one guy.
Yeah. I mean, there's over 2,000 contributors to Three.js.
Yeah, okay.
In fact, there's exactly 2,000 contributors to Three.js. But he's the one vibing out on it, which is pretty impressive. That's all I have to say about that, unless you want to say anything else.
No, but yeah, it's really cool and it was surprising.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.